This is a demonstration of how to solve a logic puzzle from logical language when it's in the Google Sheets format. Gary or Betty waited more than 21 minutes. So Betty or Gary waited more than 21 minutes, but we don't know which one, but we do know that it was not Raj. So right now all we know is that Raj did not wait for 30 minutes. The antibiotics took less time than Raj's meds. So we know that Raj did not get antibiotics because there was a time difference there. And let's see, antibiotics took less time, so that means they were not the slowest. And Raj's meds took more time, so they were not the fastest. Okay, and that gives us one of the answers. We know that Raj must be 21 minutes, so that means the other two cannot be 21 minutes. We want to keep up with crossing out things, because the things that we know are not true are just as important as the things that we know are true. Okay, the diabetes pills took longer than the blood pressure tablets. Okay, so diabetes took longer, so that means it was not the fastest. And blood pressure was not the slowest. Okay, and that gives us another answer right there. And we want to cross out the things that we know are not true. There we go. Raj's meds took longer than Gary's antibiotic. Well, first of all, we know Gary has an antibiotic, so let's fill that in, because that is known. We know that's true, and now we know some things that are not true. Cross those out. Gives us important information, because now we can see Gary is not 21 minutes, so Gary is not 21 minutes. We're going to cross that one out as well. Okay, and that gives us a couple more answers. We can fill this one in, and up here, that's the only one left up there. We'll fill that one in. Cross out this little one that is not true. We got lots of information there. Let's see what else we can find. Gary is 15. Gary is 15. We can cross-reference now and fill in more of the information that has to match up in our cross-referencing. Okay. I eliminated that option, and that eliminated this option. And that leaves us with just one more here. So we'll fill that in. And we can do some more cross-referencing. 30, 30. Where those intersect, that has to be the answer. So 30, diabetes, 30. We got that one. Let's X that out. That one is no longer an option. And this one is no longer an option. And that gives us the final one here. Let's just double check. 15, Gary, 15. 21, Raj, 21. 30, Betty, 30. All of those are done. So we are done with that puzzle.